Here's a question you may have contemplated but never voiced openly. Do aquarium fish truly urinate? Sweat droplets. Let's discover. Yes, similar to all other animals, fish must eliminate waste from their bodies. One method they utilize is through urination, although not in the manner you might think. Fish possess kidneys, and it is there that urine is produced. However, rather than possessing a bladder like humans, the majority of fish expel urine constantly through a small aperture located near their anus, and also through their gills. Indeed, fish can actually excrete from both their gills and their urinary openings. Since fish inhabit water, their bodies constantly strive to regulate salt and water concentrations. Freshwater fish urinate frequently to eliminate excess water. Saltwater fish urinate less to conserve water but eliminate extra salt via their gills. Fish urine has ammonia, which can accumulate and be harmful if not eliminated. For maintaining a healthy aquarium, it's essential to have filters, live plants, and regular water changes are so important for keeping your aquarium healthy. Indeed, your aquarium fish do urinate, just not in the same way we do. If you like discovering this aquatic tidbit, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and dive in again for more awesome aquarium knowledge.